నిన్న ఉదయం 10 గంటల 80 నిమిషాలకు ఇక నాంపల్లిలోని ఫోరెన్సిక్ సైన్స్ ల్యాబ్ లో అగ్ని ప్రమాదం జరిగిందని ఎఫ్ఎస్ఎల్ డీజీ శిఖగోయల్ తెలిపారు. ఇక మంటలను మొదట ఎఫ్ఎస్ఎల్ ఉద్యోగి గుర్తించారని చెప్పారు. మంటలను ఆపేందుకు ప్రయత్నిస్తే సాధ్యపడలేదన్నారు. ఇక ఎఫ్ఎస్ఎల్ ల్యాబ్ అలాగే ట్రైనింగ్ హాల్ కు మంటలు వ్యాపించాయన్నారు. ఘటనలో కొన్ని కీలకమైన కేసులకు సంబంధించిన ఆధారాలు కూలిపోయాయని ఇక దుష్ప్రచారం చేస్తున్నారన్నారు. ఇక కీలకమైన కేసులకు సంబంధించిన సామాగ్రిని గతంలోనే కోర్టుకు అప్పగించామని చెప్పారు.
Incident occurred at the forensic lab yesterday at around 10:08 hours. Now this fire was first noticed by Sai Krishna, one of our employees, who saw smoke coming out from the computer forensic lab. He immediately informed the inspector. He immediately used the fire extinguisher available in the lab, and the smoke detector also gave us an alarm. The fire services was immediately informed, and the fire engines came within minutes to the FSL. The fire and the smoke was finally controlled by 1:30 p.m. yesterday. This fire has resulted in some damage to the facilities available on the first floor of the FSL building. These include the computer forensic lab and its other facilities, the training room which we call the HRD, the library and certain other facilities. No loss of life or injury occurred in this incident. A complaint was already lodged by with the local police station, and under crime number 48 of Nampalli Police Station of 2026, the case has been registration and investigation taken up. The damage caused by this incident is being examined. However, in the last few hours, wild and preposterous allegations and speculations have been made about the cause of this incident and the damage to the property present in FSL. While the police investigating the case were examining the scene of offence, in the presence of local panchayats, a large part of the case property has been retrieved and has been placed under proper security.